In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, وَتَفَقَّدَ الطَّيْرَ فَقَالَ وَلِي لَارَ الْهُدُودَ كَانَ مِنَ الْغَائِبِينَ. He inspected the birds and said, "What is the matter that I see not the hoopoe? Or is he among the absentees?" Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. لَأُعَذِّبَنَّهُ عَذَابًا شَدِيدًا أَوْ لَأَذْبَحَنَّهُ أَوْ لَيَأْتِيَنِّي بِسُلْطَانٍ مُبِينٍ. I will surely punish him with a severe torment, or slaughter him, unless he brings me a clear reason. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. فَمَكَثَ غَيْرَ بَعِيدٍ فَقَالَ أَحُطُّ بِمَا لَمْ تُحِطْ بِهِ وَجِئْتُكَ مِنْ سَبَإٍ بِنَبَإٍ يَقِينٍ. But the hoopoe stayed not long. He came up and said, "I have grasped the knowledge of a thing which you have not grasped, and I have come to you from Saba with true news. إني وجدت امرأة تملكهم وأوتيت من كل شيء ولها عرش عظيم." I found a woman ruling over them. She has been given all things that could be possessed by any ruler of the earth, and she has great throne. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. وَيَتُهَا وَقَوْمَهَا يَسْجُدُونَ لِلشَّمْسِ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ وَزَيَّنَ لَهُمُ الشَّيْطَانُ أَعْمَالَهُمْ فَصَدَّهُمْ عَنِ السَّبِيلِ فَهُمْ لَا يَهْتَدُونَ. I found her and her people worshipping the sun instead of Allah. And Satan has made their deeds fear seeming to them, and has buried them from Allah's way, so they have no guidance. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Allah yasjudu lillahi alladhi yukhrijul khaba fi samawati wal ard wa ya'lamu ma tukhfuna wa ma tulinun. As Satan has buried them from Allah's way, so they do not worship, prostrate themselves before Allah, who brings to light that is hidden in the heavens and the earth, and knows that you conceal and what you reveal. Tafsir At-Tibri. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Allahu la ilaha illa huwa rabbul arshil azim. Allah la ilaha illallah illa huwa. None has the right to be worshipped but He, the Lord of the supreme throne, Arsh. Kala sananzura sadakta mukunta minal kadibin. Solomon said, we shall see whether you speak the truth or you are one of the liars. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Go you with this letter of mine and deliver it to them. They draw back, then draw back from them and see what answer they return. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. قالت يا أيها الملأ إني ألقي إلي إذا بكتابي هذا ألقي إليهم ثم تولى عنهم فانظر ماذا يرجون. قالت أيها الملأ إني ألقي إلي كتاب كريم. She said, O chiefs, verily here is delivered to be a noble letter. Verily it is from Solomon, and verily it reads in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Be you not exalted against me, but come to me as Muslims, true believers who submit to Allah with full submission. She said, O chiefs, advise me in this case of mine. I decided no case till you are present with me and give me your opinions. They said, we have great strength and great ability for war, but is for you to command